Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my YouTube channel Cryptoland. Hope you all are doing good and having a great day. Well, as you all know, we talk about new projects and new websites, and I always try to introduce those sites to you in which you can invest and get a good return. So today I'm here with another great project to share with you all, and I'm going to tell you everything about that project. But before we begin, I want you all to please subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell so you will be notified about my upcoming videos on time. Thank you. All right, so this is our project for today. It's Shiba Moon, and Shiba Moon is the middle child of the Shiba Inu family. Shiba Moon is a decentralized cryptocurrency with instant rewards for their holders. We have their Telegram community link. You can join their Telegram community to know more about the project, to stay in touch with their team. And if you have any query, if you want to ask anything regarding project or anything, so you can get in touch with them on Telegram and you will be responded quickly. Plus, you will be able to know more about their investors and their team, and you will be the part of their community. Then we have their social channels. You can follow them on Twitter as well. So you will be getting all the notification, all the things happening in their project. And then we have linked to their PooCoin as well. You can check Shiba Moon on PooCoin. You can have their chart, their price, and you can also access their website and other details here as well. So you can have their recent transactions and everything on PooCoin also. Let's move to our website again and let's know more about Shiba Moon. So Shiba Moon is a cuddly, warm and friendly who welcomes members from across the world and has a desire for all members to enjoy themselves and grow together as a community. So all you have to do is to come and join Shiba family for lots of memes, laughters, missions and developments. Shiba Inu has a total supply of only 1 billion. With a total circulation of 1 billion tokens, Shiba Inu has a deflationary aspect which uses the reflect function to distribute 5% of each transactions amongst all holders. So you will be getting 5% if you are holding Shiba Moon token. Then we have, you can check their chart and safety. So this is a 100% safe and legit project to ensure that your investment is safe. The dev has renounced ownership of the contract and locked the liquidity tokens. He is also no longer a part of the project. So instant hold rewards for every transaction, 5% of the transaction is distributed to existing holders. That means you earn Shiba Moon just by holding it in your wallet. So you don't have to claim it. You don't have to do anything. All you have to do is to hold Shiba Moon tokens and you will be getting your rewards. 5% of each transaction you will be getting as a reward by holding Shiba Moon tokens. Then this is an anti-whale project and anti-dump auto boost function they are providing. Our contract with technology, we have different functions to prevent whales, dumps, but also an auto boost with a buyback. In addition, 2% of each transaction is text for marketing to ensure continued promo. So they will be doing great marketing and they have reserved 2% for marketing as well. So soon they will announce their white paper on website and then you will be able to have their white paper. All right. So, of course, after knowing about the project, after having complete information about the project, you must be thinking that you should buy Shiba Moon now. But if you don't know that how to buy Shiba Moon, so they have given all the steps to buy Shiba Moon. The step one is install MetaMask for Chrome. Open your Google Chrome and visit metamask.io. Download the MetaMask Chrome extension and set up a wallet. On mobile, get a MetaMask app for iPhone or Android. Then step 2 is to send BNB to MetaMask. Transfer your BNB to your new MetaMask wallet from your existing wallet or Trust Wallet, Coinbase, Binance. You can buy it easily. And then you can even buy it within MetaMask. Then you have to communicate. The step 3 is the safest place to buy Shiba Moon is on PancakeSwap. You have the link on their website. You can easily buy on PancakeSwap, and all you have to do is to open PancakeSwap and connect your wallet to MetaMask, and then you can swap BNB for getting Shiba Moon tokens. And then the step 4 is swap BNB for Shiba Moon tokens. Set your slippage to 5% and enter the amount of BNB you would like to swap for Shiba Moon. So the simple steps you have mentioned, it's not so hard. You can easily swap your tokens from PancakeSwap. All you have to do is to download MetaMask on your PC or mobile, whatever you are using, and then buy your BNB and connect your wallet to PancakeSwap and swap BNB for Shiba Moon token. And after holding Shiba Moon token, you will be getting your reward. All right, so here we have moon map of Shiba Moon, that how they will be reaching to moon. They have planned everything and you can get this from their website. Phase 1 was launching, website launching, then contract deployed, contract ownership renounced, 1,000 holders target, 1,000 Telegram members, 5 million market cap to reach, and then community marketing fund. Then phase 2 growth, CoinGecko listing, coin market cap listing, marketing campaigns, non-stop meme generation, 5,000 Telegram members, 10,000 holders, 25 million market cap, contract security audit, branded merchandise, and website reconstructed. And then in phase 3, they will be doing more expansion, 30,000 holders target, 15,000 Telegram members target to reach, and then 250 million market cap and CEX listing, more marketing campaigns and charity giveaway. And in phase 4, the utility case is here. Shiba Moon Swap decentralized exchange will be launched, two more CX listing, 50,000 Telegram members and 100,000 holders target, and then NFT campaigns and 1 billion market cap to reach. So this was their roadmap. This was the moon map of Shiba Moon, and you can check this out on their website. So you can even donate to Shiba Moon. We are 100% community powered project with no main dev and contract burn. So Shiba Moon runs thanks to its amazing volunteers and generous donors. If you would like to help out in more development and marketing, please use the official BB20 donation wallet address here. So they have given their wallet address. You can send them BNB, USDT or Shiba Moon for donation. So if you have any question or if you want to reach out to the team, if you want to ask anything about the project, so you have their Telegram, plus you have their contact email address as well. You can contact them on email or you can get in touch with them on Telegram and you will be answered every questions very quickly. So this was our project for today, Shiba Moon, and Shiba Moon is on its way to moon. You can join them to the way to moon, and all you have to do is to buy Shiba Moon. They have mentioned every step that from how you can buy Shiba Moon if you don't know how to buy it. So you can buy Shiba Moon, hold Shiba Moon, and you will be getting your reward. I will provide the link in the description. You can check out the project by yourself, do your research, and then you can buy simply on PancakeSwap. I hope you like the website. If yes, so please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and press the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.